Hello, darlings. I've been feeling a little bit under the weather, so tonight I want to take you on a journey with me, inspired by my travels in North Africa, as we attempt to recreate a hammam spa experience at home. I'm dimming the lights and making sure everything looks perfect and relaxing, and also getting my hair put up and making sure I'm hydrated by getting in water. And we're also going to be making a cute mocktail together. To start our mocktail, I'm going to add just a touch of apple cider vinegar. I feel like it gives it a little bit of tartness, and I really enjoy that, especially because the maraschinos are going to be very sweet. And a majority of the mocktail is going to be cranberry juice and also a liqueur. I think this is also really good, just having this really tart flavor without an overwhelming flavor. This is also just cranberry juice, so there's nothing extra in there. And I decided to go with an orange, I think it may be tangerine specifically, flavored liqueur. It really gave it a good balance. And then also a little bit of lime juice. And you'll notice that I didn't use the coconut water. I didn't think it was necessary because I think it was well balanced after I added the maraschino cherry juice in there. It was a great way to start my night, and I began to gather all the things that I'll need. I do this every week, usually on Sundays. I really enjoy it. I think it's a great way to get my skin prepared for the week and also feel like I have a little bit of a jump start on being really prepared for whatever the week brings at me. I will get the shower pretty hot, make sure that it's nice and steamy. I go ahead and lay my towels out and all of those things while it heats up. Normally I take my makeup off while I'm actually in the shower, but I wanted to show you all the different things that I use. So I've been using this pore cleansing oil for years now. I really enjoy it because I wear a lot of waterproof eye makeup, so you can see that I'll put it on the towel and then press it into my eye, and then once that's pretty much removed, I'll use it to remove the rest of my face makeup. Now it's time for the hammam inspired portion of this to start. So I wash my face with the CeraVe, and then I will use this black soap. So this is different than the black bar soap. This is more popular in Morocco and Tunisia. This is more of a gel-like substance, so this is what they used when I went to a spa there. I really loved it. I think it was such a wonderful experience, and I've noticed a few of them have been popping up in other places, so definitely look out for those. After you cleanse your whole body with the black soap, you'll go in with an exfoliant. When I was there, they exfoliated me with a coffee scrub, Then they use this Hammam glove. This one is from Natural Elephant. You can grab that on Amazon. You are doing a lot of exfoliating in this, so again, this is just what works for me. Once I'm done exfoliating, I'll use the Glow Getter body wash with this very soft silicone body scrubber. It's a really good combination because my skin is so fresh after being exfoliated, and this gives it a little bit of hydration back. As for my face, once I'm completely out of the shower, I will go in with these active peel pads. I only use this once a week, and this is also coming as a recommendation from my esthetician. So again, this is what works for me and my skin. It is definitely a more intense exfoliator. That's why I'm only using it once a week. You'll notice that I actually went ahead and was fanning myself, as you have to leave it on for 3 minutes before you can go to the next step. If you can go to an esthetician, I definitely recommend doing that because it's changed my life and my skin, and I've been a lot more confident in my skin. After those 3 minutes, you go in with the second towel, and that helps because, like I said, the first step is very intense. So I went ahead and finished my mocktail so then I could go ahead and brush my teeth. This is a great process for me. It helps me make sure that whenever I'm ready to go to bed right after my shower, or if I want to wait and watch TV, which is what I did, then I'm good to go. I can just crawl in bed whenever I want. And once I finished all of that, I went ahead and put my Avene moisturizer on. I've been using this moisturizer for about 2 years and I do really enjoy it. I feel like for me, it's worked really well, and it's something that I can stay consistent with, which is the most important thing to me. And then on Sundays, I will use this Origins More Intensive Hydrating Mask. It really will help my skin look dewier. You'll notice by the end of my moisturizing process, my skin looks really dewy, which what I've heard from my esthetician, and again, definitely go to a professional because they just know everything. It's amazing to me. She was telling me that the more moisturized you look when you go to bed, the easier it is in the daytime. Now I'll hydrate my body. I went ahead and got 2 different ones. So I always have fragranced, and then for non-fragranced, I use the CeraVe, and these work really well for different parts of my body. Then I popped on a different robe and went to relax in my living room. I had a quick video call, and then I got to watch my favorite Phantom of the Opera. Absolutely wonderful. And that was how I wrapped up my night. I hope that you enjoyed spending this spa night with me, and I'll see you next time.